Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on how to fix your notification not showing on WhatsApp. If you're having trouble with your notification not showing in WhatsApp, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go to your notification bar or control center and then click on airplane mode and turn it on. Then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Then try logging in into your WhatsApp account again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for WhatsApp on your Play Store or App Store. Go to search and then click on WhatsApp and then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures that you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go to your settings and then search app. After that, click on the option of app and then scroll down until you see the option of WhatsApp. After that, scroll a bit down and you'll see the option of storage. So go ahead and click on it and then you'll see the option of clear cache on the bottom right of your phone. Then hit on clear cache. This helps you clear out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helps, go ahead and delete the app from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that helps you stubborn login problems, and there you go. One of these methods should have helped you get back into your WhatsApp account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.